This is Mexico, second largest economy in Latin America, and it is the 15th largest globally in terms of nominal GDP. The country relies heavily on international trade, and it has a network of free trade agreements with over 50 countries, allowing it access to a variety of global markets. Most importantly, the United States is its most important trading partner, accounting for nearly 80% of its exports. Furthermore, the COVID-19 pandemic and trade tensions have lately caused interruptions in global supply chains, prompting companies to reconsider their reliance on distant manufacturing locations, especially in Asia. As a result, companies are currently looking into nearshoring options in order to find production alternatives closer to their key markets. Because of its closeness to the United States, Mexico is an appealing alternative for corporations wishing to construct or relocate manufacturing facilities, thus turning Mexico into a new world factory, just like China. Before going any further, please hit the like and subscribe button to help the channel hit 5,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And now, let's take a look into the rise of Mexico and how are the Mexican economy able to attract such an attention from foreign companies. Before looking into the economic characteristics of Mexico, which makes it so compelling for companies, first let's look into the country's trade agreements and policies. Mexico's approach to integrating into the global economy is demonstrated by its aggressive pursuit and participation in trade agreements, which have played a critical role in creating a favorable climate for its manufacturing sector. The North American Free Trade Pact, NAFTA, a major pact that revolutionized regional trade dynamics, acted as a spur for Mexico's economic growth and established it as a key player in North American trade. Building on NAFTA's success, Mexico has adopted a proactive attitude by replacing it with the modernized United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement, USMCA, ushering in a new era of improved cooperation and mutual advantages among the three countries. The USMCA, with its comprehensive provisions and modernized framework, strengthens Mexico's trade partnerships with its North American neighbors. It gives firms with stability, predictability, and enhanced market access, opening up new paths of collaboration and expansion. The deal ensures that Mexico maintains a vital part of North America's interconnected supply networks, supporting competitiveness and stimulating investment in the industrial sector. Furthermore, Mexico's commitment to trade liberalization is not limited to North America. The government has carefully inked a slew of free trade agreements with countries all over the world, forming a web of preferential trade partnerships that give Mexico preferential access to many markets. These agreements allow Mexican producers to reach out to a varied and growing consumer base, boosting exports and promoting economic growth. These agreements have thrust Mexico's manufacturing industry onto the world arena, making it an appealing location for investment and cementing its position as a manufacturing powerhouse. Also, we must not forget that Mexico does have a program that will grab the attention of any manufacturing company, which is the Maquiladora program. Mexico's Maquiladora program is an excellent illustration of the country's efforts to attract foreign investment and strengthen its industrial capabilities. This program has aided in the construction of manufacturing activities by providing a variety of benefits to businesses. Businesses that participate in the Maquiladora program can import raw materials and components into Mexico duty-free. These imported inputs are then used for assembly or processing, leading to the manufacture of completed items that are then re-exported. The Maquiladora program has been especially beneficial in labor-intensive industries like textiles, electronics, and automotive components. Foreign firms are lured to Mexico because of its competent and cost-effective labor force, which enables them to maximize production efficiency while maintaining competitive costs. This symbiotic relationship between foreign investors and Mexico's labor force has driven manufacturing sector expansion, making Mexico an appealing destination for corporations looking to expand their operations. The Maquiladora program greatly decreases production costs for enterprises by allowing duty-free importation of materials and components. This cost advantage, combined with Mexico's advantageous geographic location and robust trade agreements, has created an atmosphere conducive to foreign investment in the manufacturing industry. The program not only encourages economic growth but also job creation and technological transfer, thereby helping to build local communities and raise living conditions. In essence, Mexico's Maquiladora program has created a platform for multinational corporations to collaborate with the country's skilled labor force. It has enabled Mexico to capitalize on its manufacturing assets, attract foreign investment, and create economic prospects. On top of that, Mexico also has excellent demographics that can supply cheap labor for decades to come. First, let's look into the age group of Mexican labor market. Mexico's labor market benefits from a significant proportion of its population being in the working age bracket, which includes individuals between the ages of 15 and 64. This demographic advantage, characterized by a relatively young population, presents both opportunities and challenges for the country's economy. The youth group, often defined as people aged 15 to 24, accounts for a sizable component of Mexico's labor force. This group has a lot of energy, passion, and a lot of potential for creativity and flexibility. They are frequently eager to enter the labor field, contribute to economic progress, and embrace rising technologies and new business practices. By embracing new business models and projects, they may foster entrepreneurship, contribute to the startup environment, and fuel economic dynamism. Mexico has an increasing population of older employees on the other end of the age range. This demographic group, known as the silver economy, consists of experienced workers who have gained important skills and expertise over their careers. Through intergenerational knowledge transfer and mentorship possibilities, leveraging this demography can contribute to economic growth. Mexico has been taking efforts to improve education and skill development programs in order to tap into the potential of both the young and older segments of the workforce. Attempts have been made to match educational curricula with industrial demands, to promote vocational training, and to promote lifelong learning. Mexico seeks to maximize the productivity and contribution of its varied age groups by training young workers with the appropriate skills and offering opportunities for upskilling and reskilling for older workers. And in term cost, Mexico's labor have traditionally been relatively lower compared to certain developed countries. This cost advantage has been a significant factor in attracting foreign investment and establishing manufacturing operations in Mexico. While Mexico may offer cost advantages, it is crucial to consider the overall value proposition that encompasses factors beyond labor costs, such as infrastructure, market access, supply chain efficiency, and business environment. In the coming years, the world will witness Mexico's manufacturing excellence at its full potential. Mexico will play an increasingly prominent role in shaping the global economy as it strengthens its position as a global manufacturing base. Mexico's emergence as the world's next factory is a monument to the country's tenacity, dedication, and steadfast commitment to growth. We can look forward to a future where innovation thrives, opportunities abound, and Mexico's industrial sector shines on the global stage as we embark on this revolutionary path with Mexico. And that's all for today. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Visionomics, signing out.